Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your midweek haul and I did a curbside deal where everything went perfectly and I got my like 37-ish dollar basket for like pretty much free. So I'm just like super hyper by that. Like when everything works out perfectly, that is unheard of over at Walgreens. And we're going to talk about some issues too that you might be having, and we'll address that. And if you are in the Midwest, we have 3 freebies at Meijer grocery store, which is always fantastic. Now, I know the weather has been a topic we have been just going through the last couple of weeks. I snapped this photo yesterday afternoon when my husband was doing the snow. You can see how high that snow is. I mean, it's just been punishing here in Michigan, and it seems like since like around after Christmas, we have storm after storm after storm. So I am pretty excited for it to be spring. And if you are in a similar situation as I, definitely these curbside deals are the way to go over at Walgreens, because once you put the order in, you have up to 72 hours before you can go and pick it up. And so you have that really long window to go and get your stuff. But like this is just very challenging. And what I have been doing is I plan to be out for maybe 1 hour and then I try and do as much as I can. And then the roads get bad, so I have to come back. So it hasn't been a lot of fun shopping the last couple of weeks. And I'm looking forward to the snow to calm down a little bit. So the first deal is a curbside, which means I ordered this through the Walgreens app. I did it on a desktop computer and I have both boosters loaded, a 7 back when you spend 35 and the 10 back when you spend 35. I wanted to use both of these this week because it is such a unique thing when these two stack, and I actually got a triple stack working, which is unheard of lately. This one also, the 2 back or 3 back when you buy 2 dental care products, I also got that. So altogether, I got $20 of Walgreens cash, and yes, it did work out for me. And I will show you guys the clip at the end with the amount of Walgreens cash that I got on my account. So what I got for this order was 4 of the Oral-B brushes. One of these Tide Pods, it's the 42 counter. Alternatively, if you want to get like the 59 loader of the liquid, it's the same price, go for it. And then 2 of the Axe body washes. Now, just to show you itemized list here, we have $14.99 for the Tide Pods. Alternatively, if you want to go with the liquid, it's also, I believe, the same price. We have 4 of those toothbrushes for 14 bucks, and then 2 Axe body washes for exactly 10. So this is perfect with my basket, and they had everything in stock. So it was really my day today. Now, just to show you the digital coupons that I loaded for this, we have a 6 off of 4 for the Oral-B. I have a $3 off for the Tide Pods, and alternatively, if you want to go with liquid, there's a $3 digital for the liquid as well. Those pods we use for our household, so that's why I grabbed that. And then for the Axe, we have a 7 off of 2, and this one is really a gift. Now, just to show you, the overall total is $38.99. Using the code WAG10, an extra $1.50 came off. Free curbside pickup and $2.25 in tax, $16 right there in digital coupons melting off for me. As I'm stacking 2 boosters and then some promotion, I have to use my debit card for the balance, which was $23.74, and the estimate down there is $20.37, and I got it right away. So after you usually pick up your curbside order, it takes about 2 hours and the whole transaction will post in your account. Alternatively, if nothing's showing up, a lot of people have been having that issue. What I recommend, guys, is when you are emailed, like, here's your transaction at Walgreens, come and get it, you actually have a transaction number. So what I would do is you can always call customer service and they can retrieve it that way if you don't have a receipt. And then just to show you the total of my transaction, and there's my Walgreens cash. So I did get it, and I know that the Walgreens, the whole system's been really goofy for the last couple of months, but this actually worked and I got the double stack working. And with that other thing for the dental care, like almost a triple stack. So this is just a fantastic transaction. And I'm definitely also going to photograph my receipt to P&G Good to get a couple extra points because I went really heavy with both the Tide and the Oral-B. So what a transaction. Okay, guys, the next store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. These two deodorants, complete freebies. You'll find them in the clearance section or the regular aisle, and they will be tagged with clearance stickers and what have you. And there have been a lot of fabulous offers. I think this one I found on my own on Sunday. And then the Vaseline deal is courtesy of Rolling Coupon Moms on Instagram. If you wish to follow her, here is her information on Instagram, and she is quite fantastic for tracking down these Meijer deals. Just to show you, this is the one that I was picking up. It is the 2.6 ounce Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Fresh 48 hours. And this is the one, it's ringing up $2 and some change. We have a $5 M perk. It just zeroes it out to free. You will not get overage over at Meijer. They outlawed that like years ago. And then this guy is like $3 and some change, and we have a $4 digital coupon, and it makes it also completely free. Again, you don't get the overage for that. And then just to show you like what's the flavor of this one, it is aloe and bamboo with vitamin E, and it's kind of like a gel that you put on, so it's a whole body deodorant. I think it just wasn't selling very well with customers. And then just to show you the 2M perks that you're going to load, the top one is for the brick of deodorant that's on clearance. So if you might find a different one, definitely load both of these. Open your shop and scan the barcodes to see will the coupons attach, yay or nay. And then the one down below is for the Dove deodorant, and as you can see, they're valid. Both of these coupons are valid till March the 1st, so you have a little bit if you can't run out to the store right away, and hopefully they have some in stock. For Rolling Coupon Mom, she was talking about the Vaseline that was $4 and I think 19 cents, but these ones are on some weird clearance that if you scan them in your shop and scan, they're actually $3.09. So we have a savings of buy two get $3 off, and then there's a 4 off 2 digital. So for me, I think it was just a couple of pennies, or if not free. And these are the 10 ounce men ones, so definitely give them a scan. And this is the promotion I was talking about. It's a buy two get $3 off instantly. That's nothing to load, it's just instant savings. And then for this one, you're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 4 off a 2. Over on Fetch Rewards, we also have a progressive spend 7 get $1 back, specifically on Vaseline. This tracked for a couple pennies of it. Now I wanted to take this moment to show you guys the actual receipt of one of my transactions. The top is with the Vaseline men, and as you can see, they were $3.09, so 2 of them were $6.18. That 3 off a 2 coming off. The $2 is the 4 off 2 digital. My Shea Moisture deodorant, $2.62. That $5 reducing down, and then the Dove men's, that squeezy one, $3.12 reducing down. So I just paid the tax, and I'm okay with that. I mean, it's just fantastic to get a couple freebies. I think this is the second week where we've had little freebies like deodorant and stuff that's free over at Meijer. So I am not complaining about this, and it's finally great to have a couple deals rocking and rolling over there. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.